Welcome, great guys. How's it going? Scrembo here from Emotional Crypto Trading. We're talking about Solana today, and this is September 13th. It's gonna be a great time. It's gonna be a great move. We are looking forward. It's massive pump, and it's the best out of the top 10 right now. We did more than 10% in the past 24 hours, and we did actually 18% in the past 7 days. So if you compare Solana to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Ripple, Cardano, or Polkadot, you will see the massive differences out there in terms of performance. And it's just like I told you in my previous videos, when Solana was down, when Solana was impossible to compare with all the other guys out there, take a look at what has happening. And I've told you, movements are going to happen in a delayed form. They don't have to act at the same time in the same version with the same patterns. You need to be very patient as Solana does its movements at a time the others are gonna sleep and delay. So it's also a space of speculation. Meanwhile, you have the opportunity to trade the others too. So it's great because they're not happening at the same time. For you to have your resources blocked in a single place, you can actually take advantage with your resources in these two different directions. So overall speaking, we have been massively outperforming the market. Great. 1 hour candlesticks, looking forward our technical analysis. This is what has happened. Solana was holding the level of $30 extremely well. I need to start with that. So that was a clear accumulation phase, and out of the accumulation phase, we have got into a uptrending channel that has been performing very well. At the same time, I would work with a support line of the uptrending channel that is supposed to act and help us deal with the markets. So one of the things that has impressed me is that we're not able to establish a new low with that specific dump between 6th and 7th of September, which is something a lot of the altcoins have suffered. For example, you'll see Binance Coin. They almost died during that day. It was much lower than the whole structure. So they have been having the structure set up like this, and then you fall right below the structure. Take a look what has happened with Solana. They had a structure going like this. They pumped and then retraced it back basically. Others have not pumped like this and retracing back to the bottom level of the structure. No, they have been falling much lower than the lower level. So that's a huge problem because the starting point of the rally is at different levels. It's not the same that you need to bring the markets back to the fundamentals with another 5% that was going to be missing, or like Solana's case, which did not fall below the fundamentals. 28%. Now, let me see if there's anything out there that performed 28% in the past days. In the past days, in terms of how this bullish move has moved. No, so far I've seen Ethereum performing 20%. I've seen Cardano performing about 18%, but didn't have anything at 28, 29%. It's clear that Solana, when it does its movement, it's much more volatile and much more comprehensive, I would say. So we're pretty happy about this, especially that we have performed a lot of the trading during the journey with Solana. For those of you that value and think that education is behind success and actions, we actually have this one-to-one coaching directly with me, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. It's between 4 to 6 weeks, and I'm talking about it basically at the end of this video. So make sure to watch this till the end. As well, we have the commission trading through API, no upfront fees. But again, I'm talking about it at the end of the video. Make sure to check out. And by the way, all the links are discoverable in our description area or comments area. They're pinned right there. So what happens with Solana? Well, it has discovered a significant support above 34 and 30 cents. This has been represented and noted by us a while ago because this is the structure representing as well a massive support between 20th of August until 26th of August. So we're actually looking for a significant pattern of structure that has been copy pasted into our 10th and 9th of September movement. That specific week was held by 34.23, 34.20s, let's say the bottoms, And then the tops obviously were punishing us at the time we tried to break out, for the 3 times. We got punished. Now in the fourth situation, the punishment has been no longer applied and we have successfully moved aggressively. I would say, this is the move for the past 24 hours, right? It's in the range of the past 24 hours and it's that more than 10%. So very great. Our Fibonacci extension represents some interesting fact. The 1.6180 is the significant point, including with the round numbers. So we're actually at a significant price point right now, which is also represented with our blue line of the structure, including this one, 1.414, is also a Fibonacci place of possible retracement. That is not a major one. So the major ones are always the round numbers and the 0.618. These are the major ones. Great. So this is where we're actually located right now with Solana. There's room of retracement. There is no issue if it does it because the whole structure right now is set up properly for the uptrend. There is a question related to a reversal, which is not the same with the retracement. Reversals are needing to exit out of a uptrend and reverse in a domination that is extended towards the downtrend. So that's totally and fully different. Well, this is where we are, and I'd like to share with you more information regarding 4,550 rewards, up to $4,550 rewards, or zero fees trading, and at the same time talk about the coaching. So watch this video till the end. For those of you interested in trading without fees, we have a promotion on Bybit. So in order to participate in this promotion, you definitely must sign up basically from this specific promo or referral code 41060. This is the one you need to sign up from. So you need to create a new account and get under this specific promo, which is dedicated towards zero fees trading on all pairs. And on top of that, rewards up to $4,550 in a variety of representations, starting from a welcome gift up to deposit blast off, up to derivative trading gifts. So up to 4,550, you can get the promo code at scrembocoaching.com/big bonus. It will drive you directly to this page, or scrembocoaching.com/zero fees. By the way, all the links are located in the description area or comments area right below the video. So now I'd like to talk for those that are interested in education, for those that are looking for having an education portrayed one-to-one directly with me, specifically on their needs, a proper professional work. So let me share with you more information. For those of you that value education and think that the results are generated by hard work, preparation, and a continuous process of learning, make sure to check out watching this video, as this is my one-to-one coaching, which I do out of passion. For the ones that are interested in this space of learning how to trade professionally, we do have a one-to-one coaching program where I'll take you from A to Z into the process. It's basically a program that runs between 4 to 6 weeks directly with me. Usually we're doing on Zoom conversations. So basically we have the share screen turned on and I'm teaching you how to trade from the research process until the last stages of the market. So we're actually talking about a comprehensive process. We need an intensive coaching, which is going to have homework for you to do, where we're going to verify the knowledge together, where we're going to perform trading. It's actually explained on our page. We have 3 different stages of the coaching: psychology, technicals, and live trading. We have a whole lot of the things explained on our page. You can find out more information as well. Just watch this video here where I'm explaining how does it work. And you can, by the way, qualify for a free conversation with me of 15 minutes where we can discuss these things. So it's scrembocoaching.com with the page. You can register now. On your email, you're going to find out the offer straight away and you can reply to that. As well, for those of you looking to join the trades that I perform for myself, if you want to be part of it, we are doing trading through API. So if you think that if you want to be part of the trades that I do for myself as well, feel free to participate. There's no upfront fees. It's just a commission out of the pure profits we make.
That's pretty much all. On the left side of the page, you have my trading performance documented since September 2017, and then on the right side of the page you have how does it work. On the top left corner you got our page scrembocoaching.com/today, and this is where you can have more information. Once again, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure that you're going to do all the things backed up by the data. This is very important in the trading process. Nothing can be done out of the blue, and it's not because what we want to perform out of nothing. It's most likely we need to do things correctly just because that's how the markets are telling us to do. That's all, folks. See you soon.